Hello everyone, my name is Zoe and I am the Chief Videographer for Texas Votes, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the upcoming elections in Texas. So what's happening? Texas is having a Texas Constitutional Amendment election on Saturday, May 7th, 2022. All counties will be voting on two proposed amendments to the state constitution on May 7th. Both propositions concern statewide property taxes, where you can find the exact words on the Texas Secretary of State website. There will also be a primary runoffs for November 8th general election on Tuesday, May 24th, 2022. Here you will vote with the same party that you voted in the March 1st primaries. Only races in which no candidate won a majority of votes on March 1st will have runoffs. So to check which races will be on your ballot, go to vote411.org. So before we can think about voting, we need to think about getting registered to vote. If you're not sure if you're registered to vote at your current address, you can check out this link. If you've moved since you've last registered, you must re-register. There are two ways to go about this. You can register in person with a certified Travis County BDR, or you can physically mail in an application from the Texas Secretary of State website. You can print a form out or have a blank one mailed to you. You can also pick one up on campus at the College of Communications CMA 7148, which are mail-in forms. You fill it out with blue and black ink, put the proper postage, and mail it in yourself. You can find your county's register's address on this website. Super important to note that the last day to register for the May 7th election is Thursday, April 7th, 2022. Now, the last day to register for the May 24th election is Monday, April 25th, 2022. Once we get registered to vote and you are voting in-person voting for the May 7th election will have early voting from April 25th to May 3rd, which includes the weekends, and election day will be May 7th from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. In-person voting for the May 24th runoffs include early voting May 16th through the May 20th, which includes the weekends, and election day May 24th from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can find your polling locations using this website, and on-campus polling locations are still to be determined. Once you go to the polls, it is super important that you bring an acceptable ID to these polls. You could have any one of these 7. You cannot use your student ID, but you could use your driver's license, a Texas personal ID, a passport, and any other of these options. If you plan to vote by mail in the state of Texas, you have to meet at least one of these 5 requirements. You apply for it, and you have the ballot application mailed to you at this link, or you can print it out at this link. New laws require you that you list your Social Security or your driver's license, and this number has to match your registration. So we suggest you just list both. Fill out the form and mail it to your county's election office, and you can find their addresses at this link. And the last day for the county to receive your absentee ballot application is Tuesday, April 26th for the May 7th election, and Friday, May 13th for the May 24th election. Do the same once you get your ballot. Don't wait for the last minute. These are some election day hotlines that you can call if you encounter any problems or have any questions while you're at the polls. And to give a list of important dates for the May 7th amendment election, Thursday, April 7th is the last day to register to vote. Tuesday, April 26th is the last day for the county to receive your absentee ballot application. So received, not postmarked. Monday, 25th to Tuesday, May 3rd is early voting. Saturday, May 7th is election day. And Monday, May 9th is the last day for the county to receive your ballot by mail. It must be postmarked by 7 p.m. on election day. Now, for the May 24th runoff election, list of important dates are April 25th, the last day to register to vote. Friday the 13th is the last day for the county to receive your absentee ballot, which is received, not postmarked. May 16th through the May 20th is early voting. May 24th is election day, and May 25th is the last day for your county to receive the ballot by mail, which must be postmarked by 7 p.m. on election day. Now, that was a lot of information in so little time. So if you do have any questions, no matter how specific or how basic, you're more than welcome to reach out through us through our email, our number, or any of these social media handles. The Election Protection Hotline is, of course, there. And if you're interested in joining our organization where we get Longhorns registered to vote, here is a link. Thank you so much.